Good day, students. Let's start our lesson. The theme of the lesson is the black climber. Learning objective 10.6.9. Use appropriately a wide variety of active and passive simple present and past forms, and past perfect simple forms in a narrative and reported speech on a wide range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Today we have past simple and past continuous tenses. Past simple form regular verb ending ed. The past simple affirmative of regular verbs is formed by ending ed to the verb. Some verbs have an irregular verbs. Study the list of irregular verbs. Affirmative, I looked ran. Negative, I didn't run. Interrogative, did I run? Short answers, yes, I did. Spelling, we add d to verbs ending in e. I bake, I baked. For verbs ending in consonant y, we drop the y and add ied. I cry, I cried. For verbs ending in vowel y, we add ed. I play, I played. For verbs ending in one stressed vowel between consonants, we double the last consonant and add ed. I stop, I stopped. Past continuous form was, were, plus main verb, plus ending ing. Affirmative, I was sleeping. Negative, I wasn't sleeping. Interrogative, was I sleeping? Short answers, yes, I was. We use the past continuous for an action which was in progress at a stated time in the past. We don't know when the action started or finished. A past action which was in progress when another action interrupted it. Two or more actions which were happening at the same time in the past. To give background information in a story. Past tenses. Past simple form. Verb ending ed. Or irregular if this verb irregular, second form, verb second form. Past continuous was, were, verb ending ing. Past perfect had, verb ending ed. Past perfect continuous had been, verb ending ing. Past simple, she planted roses last year. Past continuous, she was planting roses when he came. Past perfect, she had planted roses before he came. Past perfect continuous, she had been planting roses for 2 hours when he came. Let's do this task, the black climber. Students, book, page 10, descriptor, read the text, identify the tenses. Then match the verbs in bold from 1 to 7 to their uses from A to G. An action which was in progress before another action in the past. B. An action that happened at a certain time in the past. C. An action which happened before another action in the past. D. An action which was in progress in the past and another action interrupted it. E. An action which had recently finished and whose result was still visible. F. Actions which happened one after another in the past. G. Two or more actions happening at the same time in the past. Let's solve the test from the website. Test yourself past tenses. Choose the most likely tense to complete the following statements correctly. In most cases, only one answer is possible. In some, two answers may be possible, but one of these much more likely than the other. We have 10 questions. After, you may check your answers. If you have finished, we will continue our work. Your homework. Exercise 3, page 10 from student's book. Put the verbs in brackets into the past perfect or the past perfect continuous. I wish you be healthy and wealthy. The lesson is over. Goodbye, students.